STARZ say it ain't so. A copyright expert has concluded that the STARZ network's P.Valley series used, quote, an overwhelming number of elements from Nikki Gilbert's play. Nikki Gilbert may actually have a chance at winning her fight against P.Valley creators, as a copyright expert ruled that the show indeed used much of her content without her consent and without paying her for it. On Friday, the Brownstone singer shared an update about the case to her Twitter followers. She posted court documents. Can you believe it? People are bold. The STARZ series P.Valley uses many elements from her play, which is called Soul Kitten's Cabaret. And the court documents declare that an expert has found that the P.Valley show heavily mimics Gilbert's play. An overwhelming number of elements were taken from Ms. Gilbert Daniels' play film, The Soul Kitten's Cabaret, including plot, dialogue, setting, theme, characters, and mood, documents state. This is an outrage. The filing comes as Gilbert continues to fight STARZ for stealing notable concepts from her 2011 musical and adding them to one of the network's biggest shows. Series creator, in quotation marks, Katori Hall, has maintained that P.Valley is actually based on her 2015 play called P.Valley, something Gilbert has disputed. P.Valley debuted in 2020, and Gilbert has stood firm in her stance. Despite her copyright infringement suit, P.Valley continued and has been renewed for season 3. Quote, it is therefore my strong opinion that the similarities between Soul Kitten play and the series P.Valley are clear, and the matter should be allowed to progress through the normal legal process for these situations, the filing continued. STARZ has not publicly commented on this latest development. But you know, there's always a situation. Soul Kitten's Cabaret was the name of the Brownstone Singers' original play that debuted in 2011. So there's always situations where, you know, Star Wars is about space, Interstellar is about space, but it's not going to be the case that the characters and the setting and the tone and all of that are going to be exactly the same. It's just the same topic area. The fact that an expert has weighed in and says Miss Girl has a case, to me, is pretty persuasive. And if we recall the show Love Is on OWN, that it was alleged that the creator Salim Akil from the game had stolen the concept of that show from his lover of nearly 10 years. And the lover got a lawyer, and the show got taken down and replaced with something by Ava DuVernay, right? It's messy. If it's not your intellectual property, you can't exploit it and then play dumb when people lawyer up. All of this is alleged, but I would love to know your opinion. The fact that, you know, this is one of our beloved Brownstone singers and that she put this up as a play, and then I'm not sure what her background is creatively. But if you have an opinion in one way or another, or if you have inside knowledge, please let me know in the comments, stitches, and duets. Of course, we need to get to the bottom of this. Do you watch P.Valley? Outrageous.